So here I'll use U, R, and G to be the time it takes in days for Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet to finish this particular job. I'm using U here because, I mean, they have both letters R, so that could be confusing. So the first condition is that they would take more than 7 days to finish a job. So 1/7 would be the rate if they were to finish in 7 days, and the combined rate would be just the reciprocal of the times. And since we're told that it takes them more than 7 days, the rate has to be, combined rate has to be less than 1/7. So that's this condition translated as inequality. Now here, Rahul and Gurmeet would have taken less than 15 days to finish this job. So their combined rate is 1 over U plus 1 over G, and that needs to be greater than 1/15. Again, that would be the rate, the combined rate, if they were to finish the job in 15 days, but they say they take less than that. So their combined rate is greater than 1/15. So that's the second inequality. And then we have this equality here, which tells you how long it takes them to finish this job in this particular sequence. They all work together for 6 days. So that means 1 over U, this would be their combined rate, times 6. So this would be the fraction of the job they will complete in 6 days. And then Rakshita finishes the job by working alone for 3 more days. So plus Rakshita's rate times the number of days, and that should be equal to the complete job, which is 1, because these are just the fractions of the jobs. So these are the 3 equations we need for this question, and then we need to figure out the time it takes Rakshita to do the job alone, meaning our interest is in this variable R. So we'll simplify this equation first. And so 6 times 1 over U plus 1 over G. I'm kind of pulling out that, plus 6 over R plus 3 over R equal to 1. So this becomes 9 over R. So 1 over U plus 1 over G is 1 minus 9 over R times 1/6, because that 6 would go in the denominator. So I can replace those 2 with this equality. 1/6, 1 minus 9 over R plus 1 over R. So I'm taking these 2 pieces. So that way I'll see what it tells me about R. And this would be 1/6 minus 9 over 6R plus 1 over R. And then this is 3, 2. So 1 over 6. I'll move this here. And then this would be 3 over 2R minus 1 over R, which is really 2 over 2R, and that becomes 1 over 2R. If I compute this, this is 1 over 42. So we have 2R is less than 42, R is less than 21. So that's the condition we get. The question, if I go back, is cannot be. So it has to be less than 21. So 20 works, 17, 16. Actually, we noticed that that one violates this condition. So it has to be B. But let me also go over the other condition that we get from this, just to kind of do the complete question. So if I replace that here, move the 6 over, 3, 5, and then 9 over R. I'll move it over there, less than 1 minus 2/5, which is 3/5. Cross multiply. That means R has to be greater than 15. So just in case, I mean, they could have phrased the question differently. So now it becomes very clear R has to satisfy this condition. and this, it can't be equal, has to be less than. So the answer is B.